guys, good morning. Curious Wanderers welcomes you to the next episode. Today we are having a road trip from Bangalore to Kerala and we'll be taking a diversion through the forest area that would be via Bandipur and Muttanga. We left from the place at 7:30 am. We just crossed Kengeri, which is in the outskirts of Bangalore, and right now we'll be stopping for breakfast on the way. We just stopped for breakfast at Kamath Hotel. The food was not that much great and their service was okay. Now we are continuously driving towards Mysore Expressway. Before reaching Mysore, we'll have to cross other places such as Ramanagara, Channapatna, Mandya and Srirangapatna. Now we have crossed Srirangapatna and another half an hour will be reaching Mysore. We can also see a lot of sugarcane plantations on the way, and they also transport some sugarcanes to different destinations. Now we just entered Mysore and we won't be taking a diversion through the city. We'll have to take a diversion only through the bypass road which is connected only with the highway. Now we'll have to take a left side road through the highway. On the way to Bandipur and Muttanga forest area, we'll be crossing other places such as Nanjangud, Gundlupet and Koligal. Now we just reached the toll gate because they need to do the processing of fast tagging our vehicle. Before entering Bandipur forest area, there would also be another toll gate. This highway, which is en route into Bandipur forest and Kerala, apart from that, this same road also goes to Tamil Nadu, that would be Mudumalai, Masanangudi, Gudalur and Ooty. Now we are just entered Bandipur toll gate and another 5-10 minutes will be proceeding to the forest checkpost. Entry of vehicles into the forest after 9 pm is banned to reduce conflict situation, as many animals have been knocked down or run over by speeding vehicles at night. Through the forest area, please make sure that you drive slow and 40 km speed limit. Also, please to avoid rash driving. Please make sure that do not stop or get out of the vehicle, no littering and no feeding the animals. We are just done with Karnataka border, but right now we have entered Kerala border. When we just reached Muttanga checkpost, there was no medical test and then didn't even tell us to quarantine for 14 days. But no information was given by the health inspector. 2 kilometers away from Muttanga checkpost, we were stopped by the police and he would like to know the information whether we are carrying a COVID pass. And he didn't even ask us to show the pass. Last time when I came back to Kerala by a special bus, there were 3 checking happened at the same place, that was ID card checking, pass checking and medical test. And after some time there were 2 more checking happened that took place at Nedumboil and Mahi bus stand. And my bus journey was so hectic, it took 18 hours to reach home. Now we are reached Sultan Bathery town and from here it takes 3 hours to reach home. Before reaching home, we'll be crossing other places such as Kalpetta, Panamaram, Mananthavadi, Peria, Nedumboil and Kuthupuram. After crossing Kerala border, we didn't even stop anywhere before reaching home. This place looks more foggy on this hilly road. When I just crossed Nedumboil bus stand, there was no police checking. Right now we are back in Kannur district and another half an hour will be reaching home. After reaching home, we'll be in self-quarantine for 7 days. Finally, we are back home. It took 10 hours to reach home by a long drive. And after reaching home, we are very much tired. So let's wait for the next video. That's all for the day. Please do like, comment or subscribe on my YouTube channel. So bye and take care.